Hello producers and welcome to CEO Nation Z. In this exciting video, I'm going to be showing you how to install sample packs into FL Studio. For this video, I'm going to be using the CEO Mellows free teaser pack. It's one of the free packs that we have on our website. So there's a link in the description for you to go and get that if you haven't. If you have any other sample pack, that's okay. But for the sake of this video, I'm going to be using the CEO Mellows free teaser pack. Alright, so first things first, I want you to go over to your FL Studio icon, wherever it is, and then you right click and go to open file location. Now from here, you go to data, patches, and packs. Now under packs, you see exactly what we have here, is exactly what we have under the packs folder right here. So to install sample packs in FL Studio, all you need to do is just to copy and paste the folder right here, and it will immediately appear right here in FL Studio. Alright, so I got my sample pack right here, and what I'm going to do now is extract the files because it's a zip file, so I want to unzip it, and I click OK. And then once it's done, I'm gonna copy it, and then paste it in the packs folder. After we've done that, if we go back to FL Studio, we can see that we have that right here. And if we open it, we can see that we have everything. We have the loops, and we have all the stems for each melody, and also the MIDI files are also available. So simply that's how to install sample packs in FL Studio. It's just a simple copy and paste into the packs folder, and you are done.